Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is the 16th of August 2024, and we're diving into the latest and most intriguing stories from the world of technology, artificial intelligence, and automotive innovation. As always, you can find links to all the stories we discuss in the episode notes. Let's get started. First up, we have an exciting development in the world of autonomous vehicles. Tesla has announced a significant update to its full self-driving software. This update promises to enhance the vehicle's ability to navigate complex urban environments with improved decision-making algorithms. The update is expected to roll out to beta testers by the end of the month, and early feedback suggests a noticeable improvement in the system's performance. In other Tesla news, the company has reported a record-breaking quarter in terms of vehicle deliveries. With over 500,000 units delivered worldwide, Tesla continues to solidify its position as a leader in the electric vehicle market. This surge in deliveries is attributed to the increased production capacity at the new gigafactories in Texas and Berlin, as well as the growing demand for sustainable transportation solutions. Switching gears to artificial intelligence, OpenAI has unveiled its latest language model, GPT-5. This new model boasts enhanced capabilities in understanding and generating human-like text, making it a powerful tool for a wide range of applications, from customer service to creative writing. The AI community is buzzing with excitement over the potential uses of GPT-5, and developers are eager to integrate it into their projects. Meanwhile, in the realm of cybersecurity, a recent report has highlighted a concerning rise in AI-driven phishing attacks. These sophisticated attacks use machine learning algorithms to craft highly convincing emails that can deceive even the most vigilant users. Experts are urging individuals and organizations to remain vigilant and adopt advanced security measures to protect against these evolving threats. Lastly, let's talk about a fascinating breakthrough in battery technology. Researchers have developed a new type of solid-state battery that promises to significantly increase the range and charging speed of electric vehicles. This innovation could be a game-changer for the EV industry, potentially reducing the reliance on traditional lithium-ion batteries and paving the way for more efficient and sustainable energy storage solutions. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these stories as intriguing as we did. Remember, you can find links to all the articles we discussed in the episode notes. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of technology and innovation. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.